Okay, we're in Nootka Sound, and I flew out in the Beaver, and I'm with Scott and Michelle in their boat, and we left Moochie Bay Resort. It's just a sweet country. This is Nootka Sound, and it's cold out here. It's only May 19th. Catching a lot of fish already, so it's looking real good. And whales. We're coming up onto the Nootka Island fish. This is Nootka Island in back of me, over here. And this is a lighthouse